Wow, are you ever lucky that you landed upon this page? I'm going to show to you a very real and powerful way how you can flood a massive amount of traffic to your website, to your WordPress blogs, using a software tool, a WordPress plugin that I developed. And this tool is like an SEO worker working for you 24/7. Have you ever seen the phrase simply step 1, install, step 2, configure, step 3, see an enormous amount of traffic and backlinks on autopilot? Well, that is exactly what the RSS link bomber will do for you. You see, all you need to do is, number 1, is install this WordPress plugin on your blogs, on your WordPress blog. Number 2, do a little bit of configuration. Only takes about maybe 15 minutes. Step 3, see the traffic and the backlinks pour onto your site. Now, the thing about this WordPress plugin is that it'll create all of these backlinks. It'll create all this traffic to your site while your computer is not even turned on. I kid you not. You know, so many tools out there are about automation. You know, there is automated software that will build backlinks for you, that'll submit things for you like articles and your RSS feeds. But all these software tools are desktop applications where you have to log in to your desktop application. You have to start it up. You have to click the submit button and see the software work through its process to submit these things to the RSS directories and to all these different sites. But your computer has to be turned on, and you still have to click the process button and enter all of the information. But not RSS Link Bomber. You see, RSS Link Bomber will do all this backlinking for you at high quality sites, and it will work for you like an SEO worker 24/7 when your computer is not even turned on. I kid you not. Your computer does not even have to be turned on, and this thing, once it's configured on your WordPress blog, will continually and potentially build thousands and thousands of backlinks on your WordPress site. It also works with those who are into auto blogging. You know, whether it's WordPress Mage or it's some type of Kahuna, some type of auto blogger. So I want you to be ultimately surprised when you see a flood of thousands of backlinks coming to your site. Well, what kind of high quality backlinks are you going to get? This thing will automatically log you in and do the CAPTCHA solving on high quality sites like feedage.com. It'll automatically submit your RSS feeds to feedage.com. It'll enter the username and the password, and it'll automatically solve the CAPTCHA form. It'll do sites like feedbyte.com and automatically log you in and submit your RSS feed. So how does this work? How does this work? Well, what RSS Link Bomber will do, once it's configured and set up, it will automatically turn every page and every post into a unique RSS feed. I don't know if you knew this or not, but for a WordPress blog, there's only really one feed, and that is your domainname.com/feed. Sure, there's a comments feed and a categories feed, but for our purposes, none of your posts and none of your pages have RSS feeds. Well, what this plugin will do, it'll create a unique RSS feed for every one of your posts and every one of your pages, and then it'll automatically submit all of your pages and all of your posts to a whole bunch of different RSS directories and aggregator sites. It'll automatically log you in using a username and password that you have selected, and it'll automatically do the CAPTCHA solving. Once it does that, it submits all of your posts and pages to RSS directories. Once it's done that, it'll ensure that all of your feeds are 100% indexed by, I'm using an ultimate crawling and indexing tool that's part of this plugin, and it'll do this at over 150 search engine crawling pinging services. So every post, every page will be pinged at over 150 pinging services, and it'll do this 3 times, 24 hours delay between each time. I'm getting a little bit technical, so let me just back up. To ensure that that your identity is not known to the search engines. If you're worried about leaving a footprint, well, I got that solved too, because you can have multiple proxies that will run behind the scenes of RSS link farm. You simply just put in your proxies, and your identity will be hidden to the search engines when all these things are being submitted. But not only that, it has a lot of other features. You're able to mash up your RSS feeds with third-party feeds. All that's explained in the membership area. I don't want to get too technical in this video. I'm not a professional speaker. I'm not a professional sales video type of guy. I'm a software and plugin developer. And so if this is a little bit technical, I apologize. Just trust me when I say that this will add an enormous amount of backlinks to your sites. It'll add an enormous amount of traffic to your sites. And it works with older sites tremendously, meaning that if you have a blog that has, say, 100, 200, 500 postings on it or pages, you simply install you install this WordPress plugin, you configure and you activate it, and automatically this thing will go to work on all of your posts and all of your pages that are existing, and it'll automatically submit those over a period of a couple days, 2-3 days, depending on how many posts and pages you have. And it'll ping all of them, submit all the RSS feeds to directories, and it's like it'll revive your site tremendously in the search engines to get you top Google placement in the search engines. I've put a ton of work into this. I've put a ton of time, over 4 months of development, tens of thousands of dollars into this plugin, and you can pick it up next to nothing at this launch week here. There is a single site license. There's a unlimited site license. These are for personal sites only. If you are into SEO work and building websites for others, there's also a developer license at the bottom of this page. So right now, simply just click on the order button, build backlinks on autopilot. Your computer does not even have to be turned on. It's like having your own SEO worker 24/7. I will see you on the inside. My name is Mark DeLeese, signing off.